A partially used caulk tube left uncapped for several months can sometimes be revived, but success depends on the extent of drying and the caulk chemistry. If the tube still has pliable material deeper inside, start by cutting the tube across just below the hardened ring until you reach soft caulk. Then remove the old nozzle and any dried residue from the throat. For silicone and polyurethane types, warm the tip briefly with a hairdryer to soften tacky material before cutting, but do not overheat because heat can alter curing chemistry. Install a replacement nozzle that matches the cut angle and diameter, or use a Tubanu style cap that screws on to create a pressure seal. When inserting a new nozzle, twist it to seat the bead and test flow on scrap material. To reduce air ingress after each use, apply a short length of common clear packing tape around the nozzle base, pressing firmly to seal the gap between nozzle and tube. This is a temporary measure but helps extend life. If the caulk inside has become crumbly or pulls away from the tube walls, it is chemically cured and must be discarded to avoid adhesion failure in applications. Always test revived caulk on a non-critical surface and wait full cure time to confirm adhesion and flexibility before using on a finished joint. 3 frequent mistakes are attempting to force fully cured material through a new nozzle, which results in uneven bead and adhesion points, trying to thin dried caulk with solvents that alter curing and weaken performance, and skipping a small test application, which leads to large rework later. If you force cured caulk through a nozzle, stop, cut deeper into the tube, and discard the unusable portion to reach fresh material. Never use solvent to make cured caulk flow because it will change the product chemistry and prevent proper curing. Replace the tube instead. Before applying revived caulk to an important joint, squeeze out a small bead on scrap, let it cure, and check adhesion and flexibility so you avoid bonding failures and wasted time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for restoration guidance with local contractors and makes it easier for contractors to find work through project listings. We host an active discussion community so users can share field tips, ask about caulk types and revival tricks, and compare contractor experiences